Shocking incident. A 52-year-old man who was serving as the Deputy Secretary in the Department of Economic Affairs under the Finance Ministry in the North Block was killed. His wife also received serious injuries after their motorcycle was hit by a speeding BMW. The victim has been identified as Navjot Singh, a resident of West Delhi's Harinagar. The police officials have said that his wife is also undergoing treatment in the hospital. They say that a woman was driving the BMW when it collided with the motorcycle. After the accident, she and her husband took a taxi to rush the couple to the hospital. According to the police, the couple was returning home to Harinagar in West Delhi when the incident took place. We have more details coming in. Listen in.
Around 1:30, between 1 and 1:30 exact time अभी पता नहीं, but accident हुआ था. A girl driving a BMW crashed into my parents' motorcycle, and उसके बाद for some reason जो मैं अभी तक नहीं समझ पा रहा हूँ, there is definitely something wrong here, but उनको 20 किलोमीटर दूर जो 1 घंटा लगा, उनको न्यू लाइफ करके हॉस्पिटल है GTB नगर में, वहाँ लेके गया. He was declared ब्रॉड डेड, बट अगेन कि यूजुअली जिन लोगों ने मतलब बात करी है अभी, उन्होंने बताया कि एक्सीडेंट के इंस्टेंटली बाद डेथ इज वेरी रेयर.
So it was a deadly crash. The 52-year-old was killed. It was a speeding BMW that is said to have hit the motorcycle. An investigation is currently underway regarding the same. The incident took place at Dholakua region. The victim's motorcycle being hit by a speeding BMW that was coming in from the other side. While the husband died on the spot, his wife has also sustained grievous injuries. So, Navjot was a top official in the Finance Ministry and worked as the Deputy Secretary in the Department of the Economic Affairs, and the 52-year-old was killed in the deadly crash. My colleague Kritika is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Kritika, this is extremely horrific. The 52-year-old Finance Ministry official being killed in the accident. What have the police investigations revealed on how the accident took place?
Multiple factors here, Pratibha. Firstly, what is being also alleged as per eyewitnesses is that the BMW was speeding, and the official, as you rightly pointed out, was on his bike along with his wife as well. They were returning from Gurudwara Bangla Sahib, and we are currently on the same route. On your screens, of course, our video journalist is also showing you roughly the exact area where this in fact incident happened. So remember, this is around pillar number 67 on the Dholakua route, and what we're also learning is that, for that matter, yesterday when the speeding vehicle had collided with their bike, in fact, what we saw was that both Navjot and wife Sandeep were knocked out of their, in fact, bike. They head onto a bus that was towards their left. On your screens, this is where, in fact, the incident occurred around 1:30 in the afternoon. We can also see that this is the route that goes straight towards GTB Nagar as well as towards West Delhi. So this is where both of these vehicles were headed to. But after the collision, the accused currently, Gaganpreet Makkad as well as Parakshit Makkad, the couple who were driving the BMW, they took the injured in a private taxi all the way towards GTB Nagar. We were checking on our Google map as well. Karol Bagh is right in the middle. That is where a lot of other private hospitals are also there. AIIMS, Safdarjung, these hospitals are also around. Now what Navnoor Singh, the son of Navjot Singh, is alleging is that deliberately they were taken to GTB Nagar because that is where the family of the accused who was driving, Gaganpreet, the wife, who was driving the BMW, lives, and that is why they took them to 22 kilometers away, because they apparently knew the people who run the hospital there. So these are the fresh claims that are coming now from the Singh family that we are understanding. The wife continues to be in a critical condition. However, she has regained consciousness yesterday, wherein she was able to talk to the family members as well. The police is right now also trying to comb through all the CCTV footage as well in order to understand what really happened. We can also see how there are speeding cameras installed by the side of the lamps as well in the middle of the pillars along this route. So definitely this incident quite
so, Kritika, the
brutal.
CCTV visuals and the police investigations is going to be very, very crucial, isn't it? We'll come back to you for those updates. We'll have to leave it at that. Thank you for joining us with those details.